they look neat and uniform when you tap. What's that? Huh?
I said it had gasoline in it.
Oh, okay. Well, you definitely getting the workout now. It don't look too bad since it's out on that side there, but why is the front taller than the back?
So it can go down.
What can go down?
The roof, like that.
Oh, you making a slant it. How to do that?
Cheaper. Bruh. Alright. That ain't gonna work. This shit's cheap. Oh, baby, I'm finally talking. All right, now I'm going to talk to y'all. I just wanted to see how a video with no talking, just straight sounds and working would do in the algorithm. So if y'all watching this and y'all like that style video, let me know. It was just an interesting thing I wanted to try and see. This isn't a long video because I had a lot of things to get done today, but it's a video and it's another day, another project or part of a project done. We got the front beam up and now we can start hanging them across. So I gotta get some screws to screw these in from the top, because the nails that I had, they weren't going through that wood. So we give me some screws, nail them in through the top, and then I need to get the burning tool, but I gotta wait for some money to come in. I can get that burning tool so I can do the Asian kishi, I think it's a Japanese type thing where they burn the wood that y'all been talking about. I wanted to do that, so wait till this money come in and I'm probably gonna buy it and then burn these. Now, one of our posts is off. If y'all seen in the other video, I had it lined up. I drilled a hole and the girls told me that it was off. So I moved the hole over and now look at it. It's way off. So it is what it is. This is our first time making one, so it is what it is, for real. So we got really no money tied into this project, but $20 so far. 5, 10, 15, 20, 20 plus the tool. That was 30, so about $50 tied into this. So who cares? If it falls or it doesn't work out right, we can always replace it because there's plenty of trees around here. So, and it'll just make for some good content. But anyways, tell me if you like this video down in the comments. If you like the nature sounds, just want to see how it works and how y'all like it in the algorithm. So appreciate you guys. Thanks for watching. And whoever told me to peel the logs while in the air, I ain't listening to you again. Can't listen to everything in the comments, man. But it's a lot harder to get it up there at the top. You got to stand on a ladder to get that. So yeah, I'm going to get back to peeling. And if y'all want to stick around, you can. But this video is pretty much over. Like I say in every video, love, peace, and happiness. Look at Ava trying to take over. Oh, look, she done skint her nose, y'all. Look at her. She move around so much, she done skint her nose. Yeah, you skint nose self. All right, let's get back to work. No, don't touch.